Anong paparating sa mga Taurus, please? Kuha tayo ng 2 cards for Taurus. Paparating sa mga Taurus, please, universe. So you have this, no? 4 of Wands in reverse, and then 5 of Cups. So, yeah, ang nakikita ko dito for some of you, Taurus, maybe may dalawang scenario yung nakikita ko rito, no, mga Taurus natin. Parang medyo masama. But then, ito lang kasi yung lumabas sa card natin, no? But then, if ever, no, wag naman sana, right? No? So, medyo nagulat lang din tayo, no? So, for some of you, no, but then ito, basahin natin kasi ito yung lumabas. So, meron dito, for some of you, Taurus, merong biglaan na pangyayari, something like that, no, within a relationship, no, for some of you na paparating or biglaang mangyayari within the relationship. Maybe for some of you may separation na mangyayari in the near future or ongoing na ang separation for some of you, or may panghihinayang. But then ang mas malinaw kasi na nakikita ko rito, no, sudden passing. Someone will, maybe for some of you, no, ang hirap banggitin, no. So, but then, for some of you, Taurus, no, someone, maybe a partner of yours, no, kung sino man, within the family, sabihin na lang natin ganun, no, within the family, someone will pass away, no, nagmo-mourn kayo. For some of you, merong, syempre, may mga masakit na pangyayari kasi ito, no, someone will pass away or someone passed away, no, for some of you. At nasa mourning stage pa rin kayo as of now for some of you. But then kasi ang sinasabi natin dito is ano yung paparating, no? So maybe baka kung meron sa mga family member ninyo ang may sakit, no, but then hopefully, no, magdasal pa rin tayo, no, for some of you na may mga ganitong family members, right, no? So